So I'm going to head into town to see a movie, but I'm going to get some street clicks first for you guys. Film I'm going to see is The Many Saints of Newark, the Sopranos prequel. I literally can't wait for that. And I'm going to grab some food as well in Tyabs, which is literally the best Indian food, I think, in the UK. In the East End of London anyway. Yeah, the rest of the images with the Fuji XPro III and a 16mm 2.8. So we watched The Sopranos prequel. Guys, you've got to see this film. Look, if you're a fan of the show, and I'm not going to give any spoilers, okay? If you're a fan of the show, or you even love a gangster film, Goodfellas will be a good kind of anchor, then you got to go and see The Many Saints in Newark. Also, James Gandolfini, who played Tony Soprano, his son is playing him in this film. The first 15-20 minutes are a little bit, I wouldn't say slow, but you're like, where's this thing going? And then it picks up pace. Do you remember Christopher Moltisanti, who was in the TV show, played a big part in it? Well, it's the character of his father is pretty much at the centre of this whole thing, and it's great. But all of the old faces are in it. So you see Junior Soprano, Tony's dad, Tony's mother, great actress that plays her in this prequel. And then all the other characters like Silvio, Paulie Walnuts, and all of those guys, and obviously Tony. So guys, check it out. I'm not going to say too much because of spoilers, but it's also got an incredible soundtrack. You're going to absolutely love it. That 60s, 70s soundtrack. So, another thing I will say is the Tony you'll see in this prequel is not the Tony, not quite yet, that you'll see in the that you see in the TV series. And the prequel, the trailer that can lead you into thinking that is the case, but he's kind of not. He's not as aggressive yet. He's not fully formed Tony yet. But it's good because of that. I think I loved it. It was a good way of. It was more real. I think that's it. Get yourself to see the film, guys. It's a good one. Please subscribe to the channel, guys, if you've not already. I've got some really juicy stuff coming up. And if you like this kind of a video, okay, it's a little bit different, then leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Please like the video as well. Give it a thumbs up. It's a really big support for me, guys. Yeah, that's it. See you on the next one. Cheers, guys. Bye.
That's the guy, my Uncle Tony. The guy I went to hell for.
You woke up this morning, got yourself a gun.